We are launching the refreshed National Apprenticeship Program as we speak. So it's going out, I think, next week. We met on it yesterday. And so now we will be bringing our apprenticeship program to every operating unit across the company. Right now it's in 50%, and it's in kind of version 1. So we've developed version 2, and now version 2 is going to go national. So we're excited about that. We're also going to be introducing working scholarships for people who want to enter the trade. So they may have gone to a trade school, or they are wanting to enter the trade, one or the other. And if we, we'll go through a selection process as you would, but we're going to be offering scholarship opportunities for young entrants to come into the workforce, work during the day, get paid, so make a living wage right out of the gate, and then also be able to enhance their skills in the afternoons and through training, both on the job, digital, and with mentoring. So we have a mentoring program where the seniors are mentoring the junior employees. We're rolling it out across the nation, and so we're excited about that. Excuse me. And then the most recent thing we've done, more micro, is we've just graduated our second cohort of chiller trained mechanics. We have a chiller training lab down in Dallas, and so we send 10 or 15 mechanics there a year in chiller training. Chiller is the creme de la creme of the skill set necessary to be in the industry. So when you get to that level, these are the highest skilled employees we have, and this is kind of a capstone training on their career that takes them to that ultimately high level.